Greetings traders, this is Coach Robert with another episode of TopstepX in 5 minutes or less. In this video, we will review how to place a trailing stop loss order. First, we need to be sure that we have the bracket orders turned on. In the settings area on the left, we have position risk and profit brackets. We've associated a $100 risk for a $200 profit. Be sure to apply the risk by checking the box and clicking Save. Now we have a stop loss associated with this entry. So let's go ahead and take a trade. I'm going to sell the market. Notice that we have a $100 loss and a $200 profit. These will remain, but they can be adjusted on the fly. Well, if we want to make this one a trailing stop loss order, we can cancel this order. And using our order panel, the order type would be a trailing stop. Now we have to have the distance. We're at 972. Let's put the distance of 20 ticks beyond. And let's set a trailing stop. One contract, one contract. This needs to be a buy trailing stop since we are in a short position. Notice the number 988. As the market moves down into profit, our trailing stop will follow it. There's 987. And you can see that the feature is working and it can be moved. And it will hold the position. As we move into profit, it will keep that distance down. We can drag to make it closer. We can close the position entirely. Make sure we remove our trailing stop. This has been a video on the trailing stop loss order in TopstepX.